Purple is one of the most popular colors in a cottage garden, and in this video I'll share with you some of the must-have purple plants for your border. But first, let's talk about purple and the importance of this color in a garden design. So purple and blue are considered unifying colors, and that means that they balance different colors that you have in your garden, which is especially important when you have a cottage garden, because in our gardens we have perennials, annuals of all different colors and shades, that when we add them all together it can feel quite intense. Now, this is the role of purple in the mix. It balances those many intense colors and sort of creates a cohesive whole. Purple has also this amazing effect that when paired with intense colors, it cools them down, but when it's paired with the pale colors, it brightens them up. It adds more impact. The first one on my list is giant allium, and also a smaller variety which is called purple sensation, which is more bright in color. Now, these are amazing plants because they're pretty much a fluffy purple lollipop on a pretty tall stem. So they add that vertical interest to your garden. And just recently I visited a botanical garden and I saw masses and masses of alliums everywhere. And that's pretty much how you knew you were in a cottage garden, because of all those beautiful swaying in the wind globes. So the next one on my list is Star of Persia, which is also an allium, but it is shorter and the globes are more airy and consist of those tiny metallic purple stars. It is a mesmerizing plant and I happen to have it in my garden, but the reason I'm really bringing it up is to let you know that there are just so many different funky looking alliums out there. Now, the next one on my list is Delphinium. I have to say it is my most beloved perennial that is going to amaze anyone that visits your garden. The shades of purple and blue are absolutely stunning, and it is a hummingbird magnet. So if you place it somewhere near your window, you may have quite a show. Next are purple irises, and specifically I want to talk to you about the Siberian iris or the variegated Japanese iris. Those two have really amazing foliage. So not only that they have striking deep purple flowers, but their foliage is nice and upright. Siberian is deep green, whereas the Japanese one is light green with white stripes. They kind of resemble ornamental grasses. So I'm choosing those two irises because of their season-long appeal. Next, I want to talk to you about Catmint and Salvia because of the role they play in the garden. So for one, they are great companion plants. They are obviously beautiful when paired with roses, but there's also another function in the garden. Using the same plants in different borders can really transform your garden from chaotic to more harmonious. Last but not least are cottage garden staples such as purple lupin, foxgloves, and of course Phlox. And these are just wonderful plants to include, and if cottage garden is something that you are aiming for, you cannot go wrong with these beautiful plants.
Hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you would like more plant and garden design tips. Happy gardening!